as a dude from New Jersey, picked up on differences between the Northeast and Colorado, and let me just list some of them. The first is that when you go to a store here, they often abandon the cash register. So if you're waiting for a sandwich, there'll be people behind the counter, they'll be working on the sandwich, and no one will be at the cash register. So you have to wait till they finish the sandwich in order to place your order. In the Northeast, there's always someone at the cash register, and his or her role is simply to just stand at the cash register and always be at the cash register. And the role of his colleagues or her colleagues is to simply make the sandwiches. Here it takes a lot longer to just get your order in and thus have your sandwich made, and it's infuriating when you know that